Dr. Coleman is able to take the fat from certain designated areas on your body and utilize that fat to enhance other parts of your body. In my case, it was my breasts.
My dermatologist recommended Dr. Coleman. I was getting some laser hair removal on my neck where I was getting a lot of ingrown hairs.
I came to see Dr. Coleman back in 2000 when I wanted to talk about my face because I had some acne scars as a young child and as a teenager. So I had heard about him and thought it would be important to talk to him about some treating options for me.
I've had Botox here, fillers, some laser treatments, chemical peels, and not all at once. I sort of dipped my toes in the water in this office.
Prior to coming here, I'd done a lot of research into other doctors across the city and across the country. What came across very clearly with Dr. Coleman was that he was not only an expert in what he does, but he was a thought leader in what he does.
My breasts look 1000% natural. And as I got older and a little heavier, they got a little bigger too, so it worked out really well.
He was able to change and break up some of the scarring in my face, and therefore I felt more confident and better about myself in my everyday life and going to work.
I look better, I feel better, I look refreshed. I think that there are minor things that you can do to look good, you know, without it being dramatic.
I was very pleased with the results I received from Dr. Coleman and Sabero. They both come in together, they work together, and they want to make sure the job is done right.
And Dr. Coleman is the best. I've had other doctors that have heard of him and they're ecstatic that I know him. They want to meet him.
I would recommend Tribeca Plastic Surgery because they have the expertise, the experience, and the heart to ensure that patients are going to get the results that they ultimately want. And they're going to see it from beginning to end.
One of the most important things to me was that I came in with some issues that I thought were very sensitive and felt insecure about, and Dr. Coleman was able to sit down with me, put together a plan, and ultimately I felt great about the results.
Everything's changed, the way I dress, the way I buy clothes, the way I wear bathing suits specifically. I mean, I just feel good and I feel natural, and like I said, no one knows. And that's the point. That's the best part.